All right, guys, we got something pretty cool. This is the 250th anniversary tribute accessory here. Let's go ahead and see what we're working with here. I'm going to get the first view of it so you can see how cool it is. Check out that package. This is America's 1776, 2026, 250th America coin, I do believe. Let's go ahead and see. You want to get it? Little. Oh my goodness. Fell right out of it, and that's okay. So, wish I would have planned that a little bit better. Let's go ahead and see what we're working with here. So, from a coin perspective, you do have the ability to put this in a holder for a keychain. Now, I'm not going to be keychaining it. This is something we're definitely going to hold on. And you got the 1776 to 2026 commemorative coin, United States, right there, sealed up in a proper package. You can take this in and itself. I know. Just messed it all up, and drop it into your carrying case here if you want to, and be able to take that around with your actual keychain that they give you, which goes with the matching aspect. Guys, look at the colors of this thing. Look at that. I don't know about you, but hopefully you can see that beautiful 250th anniversary of the United States coin right there. That thing is sick. Love the colors, super vibrant, and they are absolutely popping. Absolutely popping right there. Really nice weight to it, and I love that it comes already sealed up, so you don't have to worry about it at all. If I wanted to take it out, I could, and then we could put it in this carrying case in a separate way to be able to put on a keychain, but we're going to be displaying these things. I love this stuff, and I can't wait to make it happen. Guys, you definitely got to check this out.